Welcome back to the next session. In this, we will learn how to draw 3D shapes.
What are 3D shapes?
3D shapes are the one which has depth to the shape. Like this is 2D and this is 3D.
So let's get started.
First, we will draw a square. Then draw 3 lines from 3 corners of the square like this and join them.
Let me try. I'm not getting it properly.
Okay then, I will teach you another method.
Which is that?
In this method, you can draw 2 squares like this and join all the 4 points. This will be transparent cube. If you erase the inside line, you will get the solid 3D shapes.
I feel this is easy.
Follow the method which you guys feel it's easy. And remember, don't draw first very dark. Draw the lines very lightly so that you can erase the inside line.
Which is the next shape?
We will learn cone.
I remember the ice cream cone.
But this is just the reverse of the ice cream. Here we will draw an oval at the bottom and then draw a light middle line from the oval. Depending on what height you need, you can make the point on the middle line like this and join them to the 2 points of the oval.
Let me try it. See, I got it.
Good Kaku, you are learning fast. Now we will draw the next shape, which is cylinders. Draw 2 ovals and just join them and erase the inside line.
This method is so easy. I was finding it difficult to draw this before.
Next shape is rectangular. Kaku, can you draw this?
Yes, but how does the rectangular prism looks like?
Kaku?
This is rectangle 3D shape.
Yes.
So first, we will draw 2 rectangles lightly like this. Then join the corners and erase the inside lines and make it dark.
Very good Kaku. There is one last shape, sphere.
It's a circle, right?
No, circle is 2-dimensional and sphere is a 3-dimensional shape like this.
So, we should do shading?
You don't need to do the shading. Just by adding ovals vertically and horizontally, this becomes 3-dimensional shape.
Now I can draw anything using all these 2D and 3D shapes.
Yes, you can. But first, you should learn how to simplify the complex objects into simple shapes. Then you can.
Then teach me.
This we will learn in the next session.
I don't need a break. I will go have tea and come back. You guys take a break and join us back. Ask your friends to join to this online class and learn like me.
See you guys. Bye.